Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Shopify domain name, a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So now here we are in Shopify, and then from here to change our domain name is very simple right here. You can go into the settings right here, and then from here you can go into the domain. So you can click on this one right here. It says domain, click on that, and then from here you would be able to see all of your domains right here. So you would have two options. So you would have connect existing domains. So this would mean if you have a store or maybe a domain right here, maybe it's not from Shopify or whatsoever, then you can use this one. You can click on that and click on this one and provide your domain name right here so that you can connect your existing domains and so on. So you can have multiple domains right here. Or if not, then you can just buy a new domain from Shopify, and then you want to type your domain right here, and then you can check for its availability just like so. Maybe just like this one, and maybe I'm just gonna go and type it just like this one, and then as you can see, this would be the price, and you can click on buy domain, and then other results right here. You would have some suggestions and its prices and so on right here. So yeah, you would also have that .ph, .net, .org, .store, and so on right here, depending on what you want. So yeah, that is basically it. And then from here, you have your domain right here. So this one is just a free domain that is provided by Shopify. So then from here, you can click on change, and then you would be able to change your domain or your store link right here. So let's say tutorial store 04, just like that, and then you can check for its availability, and it's available. Then you can click on add domain once it's available right here. So now you would have two domains right here, and this would be your primary URL for your online store. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.